In today's video, I will go over 11 plush stuffed animals that I sold within the last month or two on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, Mercari, and Amazon. I paid anywhere from 25 cents each up to $5 for these stuffed toys. Stick around until the end of the video where I will go over the numbers, including the cost of goods sold, as well as any fees associated, and then my net profit, which is the money that goes into my bank account when it's all said and done. I turned $15 into $316 in just 2 months. Now let's get started. My name is Xandra, also known as Piece of Scrap. I'm a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon. And what that means is I buy items low at garage sales and thrift stores and flip the items online. I've been a reseller on eBay for over 20 years. However, I do make great sales on Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. And now let's see some of the plush I've sold on those sites. I sold this Wild Republic bird. It's a pheasant. I sold it on eBay for $9.59. The buyer paid $35 to have it shipped to Seoul, South Korea. I purchased it for 25 cents at Goodwill. These birds, I've sold quite a few of them, and when you squeeze them, they make the sound of the bird. This is what that tag looks like if you've not seen these before. They do say Wild Republic. So my profit on this bird that I sold for $9, because he paid so much in shipping, my profit was actually $24.54. I shipped it through the global shipping program and paid $14. The next item is a Lovey bunny. If you're not sure what a lovey is, it's a bear that has a blanket attached. So this is a satin blanket with a bunny head attached. I purchased this at a garage sale for $1 back in 2019, so it did take a while to sell, but it finally did sell on Facebook for $10 plus $5.50 shipping. So my profit, $8.17. The next item sold on Poshmark, a new without tag Care Bear. This is a do your best bear with a kite on its tummy. Now this is a smaller bear, 8 inches tall. It's more of a beanbag. I paid 50 cents for this at a garage sale. It sold for $15 on Facebook. So my profit after the fees and cost of goods sold, $10. Now the next 3 items sold on Poshmark, but this was quite a mess. I sold the dinosaur, the red dinosaur, in a bundle with a Build-A-Bear dog. This Paw Patrol Sky. So the 2 of these, the dinosaur and the dog, sold for $30 on Poshmark. I paid 25 cents for the dinosaur and then 50 cents at Goodwill. Now this was before Goodwill raised their prices on the Build-A-Bear. But I've had these going on about 4 months, so when the bundle offer came through of $30, I accepted. However, I goofed up when I sent her the package, and I actually packed her Rubble, this guy. And as you know on Poshmark, if any one piece of the bundle is incorrect or they raise a dispute, the entire bundle is canceled. I realized that the day after I shipped her the wrong dog, so I emailed her and said, hey, I realize I shipped you the wrong dog. I will drop the other one in the mail with a return label to ship the other one back. She said, okay. Like I said, it was a mess. But when she received Rubble, she emailed me and said, hey, I'd like to keep this. How much for Rubble? I said $20, trying to recoup some of my cost. I knew she paid $15 each for these 2. But I said, how about $20 shipped? So she went ahead and purchased this one that was still available, or one or the other. Again, it was all very confusing. Anyway, she purchased the one that was still available on Poshmark for $20. And I shipped it. So it all worked out in the end. She got all 3 of these for $50. Anyway, mistakes do happen. Even I make mistakes. I shipped her the wrong dog. She ended up wanting the dog in the end. and it all worked out. But again, it was a mess. And I've got 3 Build-A-Bears sold. So resellers that you watch that say Build-A-Bears don't sell, they're incorrect. I sell Build-A-Bear plush animals all the time. I'm not sure what was up with these Nickelodeon ones that they sold. I sold both of them right away. Yeah, keep your eye open for a Build-A-Bear, whether they're clothed or not. How y'all doing? Do you like this type of content? I love selling plush stuffed animals across all platforms. If you love it too, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, which tells me you like this type of video. And while you're at it, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next one. You can also follow me on Instagram at piece.of.scrap. I post a lot of my what sold items on Instagram, and I do communicate with fellow resellers over there. So go ahead and check it out. I will have a link to my Instagram account in the description below. Then I sold this Disney Baymax Big Hero 6 plush. I purchased it at Goodwill for 25 cents. It sold for my full price of $17 plus shipping, so my profit $11.85. I picked this up because it was Disney. I did run comps in the store and they did seem to do well. And I knew my cost was only 25 cents, so I took a chance on it and it paid off. Not sure if I'd see this for more than 25 cents if I would actually pick it up again, but pretty good profit on this Big Hero 6 plush, $11.85. The next plush sold on eBay, it was Disney Goofy. When I can purchase these stuffed plush animals for 25 cents and flip them for about $20 plus shipping, that's a pretty good return on investment. This Goofy plush, 19, almost 20 inches tall, sold within 2 days on eBay for $17.58 plus $7 shipping. So my profit on this guy, $17.55. This next one sold on Facebook. This was an ugly one, and I think this is why I purchased him. He was 25 cents at Goodwill. Not in the best condition, but look how ugly and scary he is. So it's Fuggler, the Ugly Monster, 9 inches tall from Spin Master. And I figured with Halloween coming up, this guy was likely to sell, and he did. So I paid 25 cents for him. He sold for $18 plus $5.50 shipping on Facebook. So my profit, $16.50. The next item, I guess you can consider this a plush. He had a soft head and soft hands. I purchased this for $5 at a thrift store out of town. He was new in the box. It's a Porch Kids, 36 inch tall, stuffed plush standing animal. It's more of a Halloween decoration. This sold within 3 days on Facebook. I had him listed high at $69, but the buyer suggested a $40 price. So I quickly accepted, plus the $16 shipping. So my profit on this one, $53.19. I didn't even get him put in storage before he sold. And the last item sold on Amazon, it's a Maskimals plush head Halloween costume Scooby-Doo. And he looks like, it was just the head of the Scooby-Doo. I purchased this also out of town at that same thrift store for $3.50. He was new with tags. It was the only one listed on Amazon, so I could set my own price. So for my full asking price of $64.50 plus $5.49 shipping. Now I did lose a little bit of money on the shipping. He went priority mail, and the fees on Amazon were $12.89. But my profit was still $43.60 on this plush stuffed Scooby-Doo head. Keep your eye open for these new with tag plush stuffed animal heads. They make great Halloween costumes. I just shared with you 11 plush stuffed animals that I sold within the last 2 months. Now let's take a closer look at the numbers. Sales plus shipping across all platforms, eBay, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon, was $316.16. I paid a little over $15 for the 11 items. Fees were $47.67, and my actual shipping paid $38.58, leaving my net profit of $214.46 after fees and the cost of goods sold. As soon as I finished this video, I sold 2 more plush stuffed animals. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see those in my next plush sold video. I make money selling Goodwill items online. including plush stuffed animals, and you can too. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed to my channel, so do me a favor and click that subscribe button. And while you're at it, tap the notification bell to be notified when I release my next video. I will link another What Sold Plush video here. Continue watching.